The next time you are thinking of what to do or what not to do to your overripe plantain, either allowing them to spoil and train them away, just watch this recipe. Grab yourself some pepper, some Negro pepper, which is also known as hwentia, some ginger and some salt. Put them all together in your earthenware bowl and then mash it all together with the pestle. Okay, now go ahead and peel off your overripe plantain. Wherever it's gone so bad and cannot be used, cut them off and use the good ones and add them to your pepper mixture. Then grind all of this together. You may choose to use the earthenware a pestle to grind this, or use your potato masher to do that. Whichever way, just make sure it gets the work done for you. Some may choose to blend this in their blender to get a very smooth puree, but I'm doing this method because I want it chunky. Okay, I went ahead to add some more salt because I didn't really have enough in them. After doing this for some time, this was the outcome. Not too smooth, quite chunky, just the way we want it. We are going to go ahead and get some flour and then sieve it straight away onto this mixture. Okay, just a little amount to get the work done. It's what the consistency right is what we are looking for. Next, we'll be using either the pestle or the ladle to mix or combine all of this together and make sure that it's all incorporated very well. Okay, so you may use the ladle if the pestle is being too difficult for you. Now mix it very well so you can get a very uniform mixture. When done, set that aside and add some oil to your hot saucepan on fire. When that is heated up by testing it using the onion, we're just going to scoop it into smaller pieces, or you can actually use your hands. Okay, fetch with your hands or use the ladle to fetch it and then drop it into smaller bits onto it. Now making sure that I'm not having some burns under it, so I'm checking that everything is not stuck into the pan. Okay, when I'm done with that, I'll just flip it to the other side and make sure it's also fried gently and beautifully. Just look at what we have at the other side. Okay, when that is done, just take it from the oil and then onto your colander so you can drip the excess oil we have in there. And that's exactly it. Okay, you can actually try this with beans or granules or anything. Just look at how it got the inside. Are you going to try this? Will you try it? Because there's a lot of plantains in the market and I guess it's just not a waste, but you can use something for it. Okay, so try this and let me know how it goes. So we mix in the next video. Have a good, wonderful day and Merry Christmas in advance. Bye.